Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying material and pressure requirements so the joint lasts. This prevents mismatches later. Once done, cut the pipe square and deburr the inside and outside to ensure full contact. Make sure to clean with solvent so sealants adhere. Grease or dirt ruins seals. Next, dry fit the chosen connector, compression sleeve, mechanical coupling, or push fit to confirm alignment and length. Don't skip test fitting. It saves rework and shows whether you need an adapter or shim. You now focus on the sealing method that matches your connector. For threaded joints, wrap PTFE tape clockwise or use anaerobic sealant so threads self-seal under torque. This prevents leaks under pressure. For compression fittings, insert the ferrule, hand start the nut, then torque to the specified value. This crushes the ferrule to seal. For mechanical couplings, center the gasket, tighten evenly in sequence so the sleeve compresses uniformly. Throughout, check alignment and support the pipe so seal surfaces stay true. You finish by pressure testing the joint at the required value and observing every connection for seepage or audible hissing. Once done, relieve pressure and inspect the seals visually. Small weeps often show as beads. Make sure to install proper supports and vibration isolators so movement doesn't fatigue the joint over time. If a leak persists, retorque to spec or replace the gasket or ferrule. In stubborn cases, cut back to fresh pipe and repeat the fitting process to restore a reliable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.